In this video I will show you how to remove green screen spill in Premiere Pro or After Effects. Okay, first we want to open After Effects. You can do this on Premiere Pro. I just generally use After Effects more. I already have a video imported. So first I want to go to create a new composition. Let's give it a name. I'm going to call this green screen color spill. Press OK. Click the project name, drag it down here, the video will appear here. So we want to get rid of the green screen spill around the hair and the face. So first we want to right click the mouse, go to new, go to adjustment layer, go to effects and presets, go down to color correction, then go down to Lumetri color, click and hold Lumetri color, drag it onto the video, then go to effects controls, then go to curves, then scroll down to U versus U. As you can see, this line is on a horizontal. I want to make it a diagonal line from the bottom left hand corner to the top right hand corner. So let's start with a point in the middle. Then we'll just start with another point over here. This happens a lot, so just leave them 2 points in the middle and go to the third point here, drag it up to the top right hand corner. Let's go back to the second point in the middle and drag that down. This can take a minute or two. The more you do it, the more you get used to it and the faster you'll be able to make the line. I wouldn't really spend too much time on it because you're going to be resetting it anyway. But you just generally want to make it a straight line. That will do. That'll do the job. So scroll back up, click reset. Scroll back down to U versus U. Click the eyedropper. Now we want to click a non-green part of the skin. So the skin looks like a great skin tone here to click on. So as you can see, it picked up on the color. Then 3 points appear here. Let's make a 4 point to the far right. Then go to the third point. Then we want to drag that up and whoa, look at the green go. You see the green? It's gone. Now drag that back down and you see the green reappearing. So we want to drag that up and make a curve. And that looks pretty good. Make this line a bit straighter. That looks okay. So as you can see, the green screen spill has gone from around the hair and the face. So let's see the before and after. This is before, this is after. So yeah guys, that's how you remove green screen spill in Premiere Pro or After Effects. If you want to see more videos like this, let me know in the comments. And I will see you in the next video. Peace out guys.